Lawn Mowing and Gardening Services, Gold Coast, Queensland. Snap up this great little earner for a relaxed income or grow the business to the next level. Known for its high-quality service, this mobile business comes with a loyal customer base and top-notch assets. Launched by the owner in 2020, the business services the Gold Coast from Tuggan to Southport. Operated from home, with no lease or rent to worry about, clients are mainly residential and body corporates. 1 day per week is subcontracted to Dylan's Mowing, bringing in an extra $800 income per week. The business provides a range of lawn mowing and gardening services, plus softscaped landscaping. Top brand equipment and garden power tools are included, along with a well-maintained V6 Mazda BT50. This is perfect for a keen gardener seeking an outdoor business, with flexible hours to suit their lifestyle. There's plenty of room and demand to grow the business into a very profitable multi-vehicle operation. You might also expand into landscaping work and introduce a tree lopping service.